Thanks so much for hanging out with me here at Lakeside Table. And if, I kind of forgot everything I was just gonna say. Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, and since Valentine's Day is right around the corner, I've got a dessert for you that I think you're gonna love. This is a flourless chocolate torte, and it is so chocolatey, so rich, it is completely decadent. This recipe comes from Chef Ian of Ajijic, Mexico. Now, as most of my friends know, I love to get creative with recipes and put my own spin on them, but not this one. Thank you, Ian. This recipe is flawless, just the way it is. Butter 2 cake pans and line them with parchment paper. Separate 7 eggs. Melt 12 ounces of chocolate, 8 ounces of butter or 2 sticks, 4 ounces Kahlua, and 1 tablespoon vanilla in the microwave for 10 seconds at a time until it's smooth and you can stir it easily. Then mix in 1 cup sugar, and after the sugar has dissolved, stir in 1 cup ground almond meal. Then stir the egg yolks in one at a time. Set this aside. Beat the egg whites until the peaks are stiff, just like this. Combine the whites into the chocolate mixture by first vigorously mixing 1/4 of the egg whites in and then gently fold in the rest. To fold, the spatula goes through the middle and then around the bowl. Repeat this motion until it's just combined. Be careful not to overmix. The egg whites have all these tiny little bubbles in them, and that's what's going to give our torte its lightness and its lift. So it's important not to deflate them all when you're mixing. Got it? Pour the batter into the pans about halfway. Put the cake pans on a large baking sheet and they go into the oven. Once they're in the oven, pour steaming water into the baking pan about halfway up the cake pans and bake for 1 hour at 350 degrees. Top this torte with a rich chocolate ganache, berries, or simply powdered sugar. If you make this ahead of time, it will keep beautifully in the fridge for 3 days. Just heat it up a bit in the microwave right before you serve it. Deep, rich chocolate, not too sweet. This torte makes any meal really special. Make this for your special someone on Valentine's Day or just because. And if you have leftovers, don't worry about it. Just cut a single serving and wrap it up in plastic wrap. It'll keep for up to 3 months in the freezer. And then when you're ready for a nice little snack, just get it out, pop it in the microwave, and enjoy. Thank you so much for coming by and hanging out with me here at Lakeside Table. If you'd like to print this recipe out, there's a link below that'll take you over to my blog, and you can do just that. And if you like this video, please hit that little subscribe button down there and give me some thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And thanks again, guys. Happy Valentine's Day. Go have fun in your kitchen, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.